This is a 2008 Hyundai Sonata. This four-door sedan has a four-speed automatic transmission and an inline four-cylinder engine. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension, traction control and stability control systems, a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a multi-function display, solar control glass, cruise control, leather seats, performance tires, a security system, chrome window trim, rear impact crumple zones, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and this vehicle has less than 66,000 miles. This Hyundai has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.